So my sister will show you her drawing cooking because she likes cooking. And you better be nice. If I saw a bad comment, you're definitely cooked. Okay, show them. Stop cutting. Show them. Show them. Ing na silang guys, this is my pizza and what is this? Hot dog. And this is my hot dog. And this is I cook here. Oh, sige.
And this is my pizza. And this is my bread. And that is me. And this is my hot dog. And this is my
Hot dog.
popcorn.
Yes.
And this is my chicken. This is all the plates.
Oh,
And this is the menu.
Ipakita sila.
It's really good.
You better be nice.
And I look at these french fries. Yeah.